Today I'm going to be talking about the 5 free online marketing certificates you can get. Because we all know times are a little rough right now, and I think we're all kind of a little bored, of staying inside and learning a new skill that could potentially either open up a new job opportunity or a new side hustle, add on to your resume potentially, and you could probably just kill some boredom. The first one is The Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. This is by Google. You can find it on Google Garage. So it will teach you the topics of business strategy, e-commerce, content marketing, analytics. You're not quite sure where to start, this would be a good one for you. At the end, there is like a quiz that you have to take to become certified. And then from there, you can go to Google Ads. And Google Ads, you can find this on Skillshop. And Skillshop also has like other courses you can take, but I think probably starting with Google Ads would be best because then you understand how it works, where Google Ads gets their information to promote the right ads to the consumer. It also touches on how to analyze that data. And I think if you're going into marketing, I think knowing how the ads part of it works is very important. After that, you can go to Google Analytics. This is the tool that you can use to see how well your how well your ad campaigns are going, how long the customers are staying on your website, if they're only going there and then leaving. So it tells you a lot of insight on what should be corrected and what is doing well. And I think this is a good thing to know because then you know, okay, this is doing well and this is what I need to change. Because if you're just getting these ads out, but you're not really looking at the data, it doesn't really produce good quality. You're just shooting in the air and hoping something works. This way, you know what's working, you know what's not working, and you can keep track of it. The next one, HubSpot Content Marketing. This one gives you an understanding of the communication skills that you need for marketing. It also talks about how to come up with repeatable outcomes. And this is good because it helps you produce better overall marketing content for your consumers. So this is not only helping you, but it's also helping your consumers because you seem more reliable. They want to go back to you. And you're not wasting money on bad marketing strategies. So the course also tells you about storytelling, content repurposing, which is great because not everybody has time to come up with a new idea every time. And like, if you can just put a spin on it, why not? Content promotion and how to analyze the data. It does go into more detail on how to market and how to communicate yourself. And even if you take the course and you're like, it's not really for me, but I think you do learn how to market yourself better. HubSpot Inbound Marketing. This course shows you how to attract customers to your website, converting leads, gaining customers, converting them into promoters. You don't always want to be spending money on marketing solely. You want to be able to have people also promote it for you because they love your product. So I think that course is really great. Both. So the last 4, definitely, I would probably, if you get more experience, I would definitely put these on my resume because it shows that you are trying to get more into marketing, and it shows that, like, even though you might not have the experience right now, you are willing to take the course and take the time, because I think all these courses each are about at least 8 to like 24 hours, since they are videos, and they do have quizzes with them, so you do have to study. But I think if that's something that you want to do, you should definitely put the time into it, learn it, because it can definitely become a good side hustle, could definitely open opportunities for you.